Make a metal version? Sounds a little risky, but you know we can't say no to you guys. So, without further ado, we'd like to present our first ever steel blaster. Fight! What are you trying to do? Send us to jail? Well, guess what? We're not going back! We may not have a metal blaster yet, but if you're looking for something a little more realistic, well, this is the Reaper Flip Shot, the first ever blaster in a black version. It comes with bullets and a removable mag. Just easily load the magazine and watch them fly away. It's created with the most satisfying mechanism. So if you're interested, give us a follow and like.